Well, in February, we brought in this huge rock crusher called the Iron Wolf, which is basically a 100,000-pound or 50-ton machine that basically was built for a rock crusher, but we used it in this orchard, and it drives forward and it grinds up the tree row, and then it reverses and acts like a rototiller and incorporates the tree into the ground. And we thought it was a one machine process, and we thought that it would be able to very easily grind up almond orchards. And I had used a machine like this in my earlier studies. In this orchard, we were comparing it to the Iron Wolf. We're going to compare it to some standard orchard grinding machines like we're demonstrating here today.
The orchard was 24 years old, and it was time to replace it. I learned through Brent that they had this new process that Randy was making available to people, and the chips were smaller, so I was encouraged by that and thought it would do a better job.
This farm used a moorbark horizontal grinder like you see in the background, and in order to do that, it's a one machine process being compared to a 5-machine process. But the 5 machines working together are much faster than the one Iron Wolf. And in this process, the trees have to be excavated by an excavator. Then the trees have to be hauled to this large horizontal wood chipper, and then they have to be fed into the wood chipper. And then the wood chips, if you want to return the wood chips to the soil, they have to be spread back out on the orchard floor. So that's what we demonstrated here is the wood chipper and spreading the chips back on the orchard floor, and then rototilling the chips into the ground. But in comparison to the earlier trial with the Iron Wolf could do about 2 acres a day, and this process can do about 15 or 20 acres per day.